Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you need to remove or replace exhaust variable timing solenoid, also known as Vvt Solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to remove it if it's stuck, and how to replace it guys. Now, most of the times you don't even need to replace those, and we'll explain why, so make sure to stay until the end. You do not have to remove your engine guys. We removed it because we'll be making so many videos guys, because we're trying to save you as much money as we can. So let's explain how to locate and replace that solenoid now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let me tell you something. Okay, almost all the time we get comments in the comment section below what computer we use for diagnostics, fixing codes, resetting codes, and I decided to share the information with you. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get our computer from. This is the one that we use on a daily basis guys. It's amazing. It works almost on any car you can think of, and it's you can see Hyundai is right here, but you can check the link and see how many functions it supports. It's practically amazing guys, device that can pay itself off in one-time use. So where is that exhaust variable timing solenoid? Okay, let's explain now. Pretty simple guys. This is the engine cover. We need to lift that thing up so we can show you with a great detail, because if the engine is in the vehicle, we will access it from the front. Now on the front side you have the intake manifold. That's where the car gets its air from. This is the intake hose from the air filter box, goes to the intake manifold. The air goes in the cylinders with fuel, burns, comes out of the exhaust. So the exhaust side is on the back side of the engine. So the exhaust camshaft is actually on the back side. The intake camshaft is on the front side. So looking at it guys, we need to find that variable timing solenoid that's on the back side of your engine. So with the engine removed, we can clearly guys show you that. So check this thing out now. Right here, okay, that's the solenoid guys. Okay, that's the variable timing solenoid for the you can see guys for the exhaust camshaft. Now how to guys remove and replace it? Okay, we need to disconnect the wiring harness, push in first. Okay, we're going to push in, then you're going to press down and disconnect it. On the bottom we have a bolt with a 10mm socket that we need to remove. Careful not to drop it. Okay, perfect. Now that solenoid may be stuck to the point that it may not come out. Ours came out easily. Sometimes they'll be so stuck that you need to grab them with big pliers and just pull them out. Otherwise, okay, they may not come out easily due to the fact that you have one seal, and that seal can get really guys, okay, really dry, and over time it can get really stuck. Now 9 out of 10 times you don't need to replace those solenoids. All we have to do is clean them, and we have a special video that explains how to clean variable timing solenoid, Vvt Solenoid on Hyundai Santa Fe. So all that will be on the channel, and most of the times that will fix your problem. If not, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.